Hi students, you know that this is your social teacher Naveen Kumar from Crescendo English Medium High School. Already we are learning few topics. First lesson in 9th class, that is our earth. Our earth. Already we have discussed few topics in first lesson. That is, when does earth developed, how many long years ago, and also we discussed how many layers of earth. The two topics are completed. Today I am going to explain some more topics you in our first lesson, earth. The earth or our earth. See that what is orbit? We want to know what is orbit. Orbit nothing but you know that this is earth. This is called earth. When earth revolves around the sun, when earth revolves around the sun, this path is called earth only. This path, P-A-T-H, path nothing but position. Path nothing but position. So, you know that we observe thing. When earth revolves around the sun in shape or one position. So, when earth revolves around the sun, this is the position. Path nothing but position. This is called orbit. Let me explain briefly what is called orbit. Orbit nothing but, orbit is the path of the earth only. Orbit is the path of the earth is called orbit. Pangaea. Pangaea nothing but it is a supercontinent. It is a massive continent. Massive nothing but big. A big or huge continent. You see that what is Pangaea? Generally we call Pangaea means postulated a massive supercontinent is called Pangaea. When earth was born, there was no continents us. We had only one continent, which is called Pangaea. Which is called Pangaea. At the same time, when earth was born, we had no oceans. We had only one ocean, which is called Tethys Sea. Nothing but, see that Pangaea means postulated a massive supercontinent is called Pangaea. Followed Pangaea, see that it was broken into two parts. For example, you see already in previous classes I told you this is called Pangaea continent. It divided into two parts. It divided into two parts or it was broken into two parts. One is Laurentia, second one is Gondwana land. One is Gondwana land, second one is Laurentia. Like this Pangaea, a supercontinent, was broken into two parts. One is Laurentia, second one is Gondwana land. Followed Pangaea, we want to know what are meridians. What are meridians? Longitudes are called. See that? Longitudes are called meridians. You know that this is called earth. This is called earth. On earth we have different lines are there. Different lines are there. See that? These lines are called longitudes and latitudes. Already we observe on earth or globe, on globe we have different types of lines. Some lines are parallel, some lines are, what is that? Long. I mean drawing from north to south at very long only. See that meridians nothing but longitudes are called, what is that? Meridians. What are parallels? Parallel lines nothing but and latitudes. See that these are called latitudes. The lines which are parallelly on the globe, those lines are called, what is that? Latitudes. Now you get one idea. What is the shape of globe? The globe of shape is, see that, round. Actually this is called round only, round. So on globe we observe lines which are drawn from north to south and west to east. So from north to south lines drawn on the globe, these lines are called meridians, nothing but longitudes. Some lines drawn from west to east, these lines are called parallels. Parallels nothing but latitudes are called parallels. After followed parallels, what is called grid system? Grid system nothing but the network of latitudes and longitudes. The network of longitudes and latitudes drawn on the globe is called grid. So once again listen, what is called grid? Grid nothing but the network of latitudes and longitudes drawn on the globe is called grid system. For example, you see these are called latitudes, these are called longitudes. So these lines drawn on the globe. So this network of system were drawn on the globe, nothing but latitudes and longitudes were drawn on the globe. This is called what is that? Grid system. With the help of grid system, we can identify different of places on the globe only. Already I told you, earth revolves around the sun. Earth revolves around the sun. We know that. Earth has movements. One is, earth has movements divided into two types. One is rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution. When earth revolves around its own axis, it is called rotation. What is revolution? Earth revolves around the sun. Earth revolves around the sun. It is called revolution. But we want to know how many hemispheres are there. How many hemispheres are? Hemi nothing but half. Hemi nothing but half. For example, we have 4 types of hemispheres are there. 4 types of hemispheres are there. One is, see that you observing 4 images on the board. 4 images. Images 1, image 2, image 3, image 4. So you feel this is called earth. 4 images are there. First, this is called southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. It is called northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. And this is called western hemisphere. This is called, 4th image is called eastern hemisphere. How many types of hemispheres are there? We find 4 types of hemispheres are there. Southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere and western hemisphere, and this is called eastern hemisphere. This is called, what is that? Hemispheres. Hemispheres. So you find one thing on the globe. On southern hemisphere we have some continents are there. On northern hemisphere some continents are there. On western hemisphere we have some continents are there. On eastern hemisphere we have some continents are there. Each and every continent of hemisphere contains different countries. Now you get one idea. What is called hemi? Hemi nothing but of. For example, you see this is called globe. When we divide globe into two parts, two parts by one line. So this is called half. So rest of the place is called one more half. So hemi nothing but HALF, half. So earth has four types of hemispheres. One is southern hemisphere, north hemisphere, and western hemisphere, and eastern hemisphere. Thanking you students listening the second topic. Thank you.